Good morning, buenos dias, I'm Dia, and today is day 13 of my 28-day fitness challenge. Today we are going to be working shoulders, but before we get into that, I want to talk to those beginners out there that are too scared to lift weights. Now, if you're too scared to go into the gym and lift those weights, maybe start off on the treadmill. Walk for a few minutes, scope out the gym, see where those barbells are, see where those dumbbells are, and once you're finished on that treadmill, hit those dumbbells. Get those dumbbells and go into a corner. Go into a studio if there is one and just do your workout. And after you're finished with your workout, this is a message for everyone. Stretch. That is so important. Along with proper form and breathing, you want to stretch after your workout. I know when I don't stretch, I get too tight. And not the good kind of tight. The bad kind, where you can't move those hips, you can't move those shoulders. You want to be able to move. That's what most girls want to be able to do, is move. You want to be able to move and squat and get that great range of motion. But to do that, you have to stretch. If you guys want to see a stretching video, go ahead and comment that below and I will do so. I'll do that for you. But for those beginners out there, do not be intimidated to lift some weights. If you want that body you desire, that you deserve, go and lift some weights. Now, let's go into the video. Alright you guys, for this shoulder workout, we are actually doing 4 exercises. The first exercise is a dumbbell push press. We are doing 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Our second exercise is an upright row, is 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Our third exercise, it's actually called steering wheels. As you can see, we're doing a front raise, then doing a steering wheel type motion, and that is also 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. And our final exercise is our standing side raises. We are also doing 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Hope you guys enjoy. Welcome back you guys. I hope you enjoyed that workout. If you want the workout, it's in the description box down below. Take a snapshot, take it into the gym, and be prepared to lift some weights. Love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can keep up to date with my 28-day fitness challenge.